Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Corp's channel, and this is part of the Excel series. So our today's task is we got the name of the employees and we need to split the name into the first name and the last name and then create an email ID like this. So this is the result which we want. The first thing is the first name, secondly second name, and at last the email ID. Okay. So for the first name starts from the left hand side. Okay. So we need to start from the left hand side. Hence, we will use the left function. Now text. Now we need to take we need to strip the first name from which text? From this text. So this now number of characters. How many characters from the left hand side? We need total number of characters until the space. Okay. So the number of characters is if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need 7 characters. Okay. This we got the results. But for every name, the number of characters is not same. So how to do this? So we need to modify this. Instead of giving a hard-coded number as 7, what we will do, we do use the find function and find space. So find gives us the position of the character which we are looking for in the text. So we are looking for space within text this. Okay. Now this gives us the position of space. But in the first name, we don't want the space to be there. So if we just do this, we got this name. But if we hard code this, you see there's a space here. We don't want this additional space. Okay. So what we need to do is from the position of the space -1. Now, if you see, we won't find a space. Okay. So this is what we wanted. So copy and paste. Here you go. Now the second one. Now we need the last name. The last name we will come from the right hand side. We go from the back side here. So right again within text what? Within text this. Right. Now again from the right hand side we need to find the space. So let's go ahead find space within text what? Within text this. But this will not give us the right answer. See why? Because the right function works from the right hand side, but the find function goes the default way of the left to right side. So it is finding the space from the left hand side, and that is why if we find space from the left hand side, the number of characters increased if we come from the right hand side. Okay, so let's see how find works. Find space within this gives me what? 8. Okay, because it is coming from the left hand side, but we need from the right hand side. So what we can do, let's take the total length of the character, total length of the name. So there are 13 characters in Krithan's Srini name. Okay, and the space from the left hand side is 8. So whatever from the total character, if we reduce the space position, the number of characters including the space from the left hand side will give me the leftover number of characters, and that is what will be the position or the number of characters we need from the right hand side. Srini has 5. Venkatesh has 9. Ranjan has 6. M just 1. So this is what we need. So we need length minus find will give me the right number of characters. Now this is what we need to include in our right function. So length of this minus the find which is already there. Here you go. Okay, now the easy peasy bit is the concat. Oops. Here you go. This and xyz.com. Okay. So this is how we use the left, the right, the find, the length, and concat. So two additional things we learn is the length function and the find function. Thank you for watching the video and do leave your feedbacks.